to Kids Alive. Welcome to Kids Alive. Have you remembered about the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse project? Let's make this without wasting our time. For this, we need cardboard, mark and silver ink pen, wheel and axle of old toy car, pair of scissors, ruler and pencil. Along with that, 2 balls, black paint and brush, box, 1 straw and fabric. Black and orange papers, glue, small touch. Let's start. Take a cardboard from an old diary. Now draw a circle on it. Cut the circular piece with a scissor. Mark the center. Make a hole and put big wheel and axle of this old toy car. Take the wrist part of the cardboard and take out a rectangular piece. Take the measurement of the radius of the circle and cut according to its measurement. Make a hole in one end and put it in the big axle. Draw a straight line exactly from the middle. Make another hole in other end. Put small wheel and axle. Now make holes in 2 balls and put them in the axle. Here is the big ball, indicates the earth, and the small ball indicates the moon. As this plastic ball goes down, so fix them with the straw. A small part of the straw on the bottom so that they will be leveled. And a big straw on the upper part. Take the right measurement and according to that, cut it. And fix the ball with the glue. Now, color the cardboard with the black paint. Now bring the box and cover the box with the black paper. Do not paste on the top and the bottom part unnecessarily. Now, install the project on one end of the box using glue. On a straight line exactly in the middle of the earth, mark the point. Make a circle over there and draw a circle and make a big hole. Three heavenly bodies should lie on a straight line. Draw a sun and cut it. Put the torch on the hole and place the sun exactly in the middle of this. Draw some shots of stars. Paint the small ball in between the torch and big ball paste. Solar eclipse. And when the big ball is in between the torch and the small ball, paste lunar eclipse paper. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse project is ready. Thank you so much, my lovely viewers. Now we are 411 members in our family. It's all because of you. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, then don't forget to turn white thumb blue and share with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.